My name is Neko Campbell. I am 32 years old. I did foundational. I find the teaching and training to be important. Reason being is that it actually take me back to school. Things that I couldn't do in school at this point in my life. I realized that I actually could get it done. You understand? In terms of maths, because the taught me stuff in school, I never thought that construction and school had nothing to do. Self-improvement is the real, because I was really a plumber by trade. So I tell myself, well, look, I need to improve. So I just went ahead and tell myself, well, knowledge is important. Knowledge is the key. The best part about the training is the mere fact that I learned that I could actually do something different to what I actually started doing. And it was a change for me. Well, having the fact that I could have built blocks, get off the scaffold, get down and look and see that they're nice and straight, they look professional, as you know what you're accustomed passing the road and seeing. So that was my most fulfilling. Well, the reason I would recommend the Gateway program is that knowledge is the key, and if self-improvement is what everybody needs, and self-improvement is the real, I would recommend it.